Hello, English 111 students. My name is Paul Resnick. I'd like to give a couple tips on how to cite your sources for the first issue, which is the issue of driverless cars. The first option I'd like us to look at is how to cite the articles from our current assignment. And then we'll look at how to cite the debaters that we listened to from the program Intelligence Squared. So let's start off with the article. Here's the typical article right here. This one is by Jack Stilgo. Let me just show you the top here. The title, We Need New Rules for Self-Driving Cars, and a long list after that. If I go to the bottom, I see the source citation. All I want to do is compare this source citation to the Purdue OWL. So what I will do here is I will go to and Google Purdue OWL, and once I do that, I'll go to MLA. And once I go to MLA under Purdue OWL, then I'll look at the list here, and I'll notice that since this source came from opposing viewpoints, I would click on electronic sources. Once I do that, I scroll down to where it says databases, because opposing viewpoints is a database, and I basically compare. Let's find the database first. I know it's here. Here we go. An article from an online database. And I would basically compare these examples to what was given at the end of that article. How well does this match what's on Purdue OWL with an article from an online database? So that's looking at step one, and you can do that yourself. The other is one of the four debaters from our assignment. Now, I would personally go to the website, and here is the website where you listen to the audio debate on driverless cars. You also know who the four debaters were. So how do I cite this? I go back to MLA, I go back to the Purdue OWL, and I see under the idea of additional resources or other common sources. When I click on that and I scroll down, I see where it says here speeches, lectures, or other oral presentations. And this is the model I would follow. So basically, for the four debaters, you could use the same model or the same form for all three. You would simply be changing the person's name, but all the other information would be similar. That is, what was the title of the debate, where did it occur, when did it occur, and you could here, instead of put keynote address, you would put public debate. So those are the two approaches to completing your MLA Works Cited. Now, you will have 8 sources in your Works Cited. That is the 4 sources that you read and 4 that you listened to. Okay, good luck, and I hope this helped.